Hello everyone, welcome to ED Study Today. In this video, we are going to cover all the important current affairs of 17th February 2021. So let's begin. So the first question is, how many female scientists have been conferred with SERB Women Excellence Award 2021? So the correct answer is option B, 4. Its detail is, it is given by the Science and Engineering Research Board, that is SERB, a statutory body of the Department of Science and Technology. Award provides a grant of rupees 15 lakhs for a period of 3 years to the scientists below the age of 40. The women scientists Dr. Shobhana Kapoor, Dr. Antara Banerjee, Dr. Sonu Gandhi and Dr. Ritu Gupta are selected for the SERB Women Excellence Award 2021. Now the second question is, recently which state or union territory has launched the Zero COVID by Feb 28 campaign to ensure zero COVID-19 cases by 28 February 2021? So the correct answer is option C, Puducherry. Its detail is, a campaign has been launched titled Zero COVID by Feb 28 to ensure that there is no COVID-19 cases by the end of February 2021 in the Union Territory, Puducherry. Now if you are liking this video, then do subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, and do remember to like and share this video. And the PDF file of this video is given in its description, and you can also follow us on Facebook. Its link is also given in the description. So now the third question. The government of Maharashtra has partnered with which digital platform to promote wooden toys, local artifacts, handicrafts? So the correct answer is option D, Flipkart. Its detail is, the Maharashtra Small Industries Development Corporation and Maharashtra State Khadi and Village Industries Board have signed a Memorandum of Understanding, that is MOU, with e-commerce marketplace Flipkart to promote wooden toys, local artifacts and handicrafts at state level. Now the Maharashtra government has partnered with Flipkart, so this is Maharashtra in the map. Maharashtra's Chief Minister is Uddhav Thackeray. Maharashtra's Governor is Bhagat Singh Koshyari, and Bhagat Singh Koshyari is also the Governor of Goa. There are 36 districts in Maharashtra. The state sport of Maharashtra is Kabaddi. The state animal of Maharashtra is Indian giant squirrel, and the state bird of Maharashtra is yellow-footed green pigeon. Now let's move on to our fourth question. So our fourth question is, name the battle tank which was recently handed over by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Indian Army. So the correct answer is option A, Arjun. Its explanation is, Prime Minister Narendra Modi handed over the indigenously developed Arjun main battle tank Mark 1A to Army Chief General M.M. Naravane at the Jawaharlal Nehru Indoor Stadium in Chennai. The tank is indigenously designed, developed and manufactured by DRDO's Combat Vehicles Research and Development Establishment in Chennai. Now the fifth question. India's which homegrown app ties up with ISRO to build an alternative to Google Maps? So the correct answer is option A, Map My India. Its detail is, India's homegrown app Map My India ties up with ISRO to build an alternative to Google Maps. Collaboration with identify and build a holistic geospatial portal utilizing Earth observation data sets, web services available in MapMyIndia. The geospatial portals will be called Bhuvan, Vedas and Mosdak. Now the sixth question. Who has recently been appointed as the new CEO and MD of Tata Motors? So the correct answer is option C, Mark Listosella. Its detail is Tata Motors Limited has appointed Mark Listosella as its new Chief Executive Officer, that is CEO, and Managing Director, that is MD. Listosella's appointment will come into effect from July 1, 2021. He will succeed Guenter Buschuk, the current Chief Executive Officer, that is CEO, and Managing Director, that is MD of Tata Motors. Now the seventh question is, the Mandu festival is celebrated in which state of India? So the correct answer is option D, Madhya Pradesh. Its detail is, the 3-day famous Mandu festival began from 13 to 16 February 2021 at the historic town of Mandu in Dhar district of Madhya Pradesh. Handicrafts related to handmade art are also being displayed in the Mandu Utsav to encourage vocal for local. Dino Adventure Park and Fossils Museum were also inaugurated in Madhya Pradesh. It is the country's first modern fossil park, which has 24 eggs and other fossils of dinosaurs on display. Now this Mandu festival has been celebrated in Madhya Pradesh. So this is Madhya Pradesh in map. The Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. The Governor of Madhya Pradesh is Anandiben Patel, and she is also the Governor of Uttar Pradesh. The state bird of Madhya Pradesh is Indian Paradise Flycatcher, and Madhya Pradesh state animal is Barasingha, which is also the state animal of Uttar Pradesh. Now let's move on to our next question. Recently, the 11th Rashtriya Sanskriti Mahotsav has been organized in which state by the Government of India? So the correct answer is option A, West Bengal. Its detail is, the Governor of West Bengal, Shri Jagdeep Dhankar, inaugurated the 11th Rashtriya Sanskriti Mahotsav at Cooch Behar Palace at Cooch Behar in West Bengal. Now this Mahotsav has been organized in West Bengal, so this is West Bengal in map. The Chief Minister of West Bengal is Mamata Banerjee. Governor is Jagdeep Dhankar. There are 42 Lok Sabha seats in West Bengal and 16 Rajya Sabha seats. The state animal of West Bengal is fishing cat, and the state bird of West Bengal is white-throated kingfisher. Now the next question. Who is the author of the novel The Terrible, Horrible, Very Bad Good News? Its correct answer is option B, Meghna Pant. Its detail is, the award-winning writer, journalist and speaker Meghna Pant has come up with her new novel titled The Terrible, Horrible, Very Bad Good News. Now let's move on to our 10th question. The Skill Development Ministry has launched the Mahatma Gandhi National Fellowship Program, under which skill development program? So the correct answer is option C, Sankalp. Its detail is, the Mahatma Gandhi National Fellowship Program has been launched under the World Bank Loan Assisted Program Sankalp, that is skills acquisition and knowledge awareness for livelihood promotion. Now the next question. So in my last current affairs video, I asked you a question. So if you haven't seen that video, then you can watch it by clicking on the I button. So I asked, recently Mario Draghi was formally sworn in as the new Prime Minister of which country? So its correct answer is option B, Italy. Its detail is, former chief of the European Central Bank Mario Draghi was formally sworn in as Italy's new Prime Minister. He succeeded ex-PM Giuseppe Conte, who has resigned in January 2021 due to the collapse of a coalition government. Draghi's government is the 67th to take office since 1946 and the 7th in the last decade alone. Now we are talking about Italy, so this is Italy in the map. The capital of Italy is Rome. Italy's currency is Italian lira. Italy's president is Sergio Mattarella and the national sport of Italy is football. Now let's move on to our next question. So today's question of the day is, recently which state's chief minister, that is CM, inaugurated the Abhyudaya scheme? So among these four options, whichever option you think is correct, just write it in the comment box below and I will tell its correct answer in my next daily current affairs video. So till then, bye, take care and thanks for watching this video.